Today I will show you how to make a website within 10 minutes. So, how to make a website within 10 minutes, but before that, to make a website you need a domain and hosting. So it depends. If you like, this is my website, you can purchase the plans according to your need. If you want the e-commerce website, then you can choose this e-commerce platform, and they will provide you the e-commerce ready-made panel in which you don't need to change anything. You just have to upload an image, write your content, and publish your website. So your e-commerce website is ready. All the payment gateways are included in this, so you can purchase it from here. And if you want to make a WordPress blog, if you want a blog website, if you want a website like simple website, if you want, then you can choose this WordPress hosting. In my today's video I will show you how to make a website within 10 minutes through this WordPress hosting. So for that you need to purchase first a WordPress hosting and a domain. You can purchase it from here, and after that, after the domain and hosting will activate, you can just install the WordPress, and you can see the video how to install WordPress from my channel Hosting Tuition, and in here you will get the videos of how to install WordPress easily. So you can check these two videos and you will know how to install the WordPress. Third step is, after installing the WordPress you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. After login to your WordPress dashboard, what you have to do to make your website within 10 minutes or within 10 to 30 minutes. What you have to do, you have to go to the appearance option and you have to click on themes. After click on the themes, you need to install a theme named Astra. So what you have to do, you just have to click here with the name Astra, and you need to install this theme. I already installed it. So after installing this theme, you need to activate it. Just activate this theme, and then after the theme will activate, you have to go to the plugins option. Click on install plugins and then click on add new. In the plugins option, what you have to do, you have to click on the search items, and here you have to write Astra, and Astra plugin will show up here like this. So you need to install this plugin, Astra Starter Sites. So you have to install this plugin. Click on the install now, and now the plugin is installing. Now the plugin is installed. Click on activate. Now the plugin is activated. So now what you have to do, you have to just go to the plugins again and then click on here see library, and here you have to choose the Elementor, and it will show you some themes in which you want to make your website. So for that, what I have to do, I will choose one theme. Right now my website looks like this. Here right now it is simple. So what I will do, I will just choose one simple theme here, any theme, like we will go with this theme. This is my favorite, so I will choose this one. So I choose this. So after clicking on this theme, so after clicking on preview, it will just redirect you to the this page, import site page. So here it will show you all the contents this theme needs and everything. So you don't have to install these plugins individually. It will install it by itself. So what you have to do, you just have to just first check out this theme and then click on the import site. So right now I'm just clicking on the import site, and before that I will just check this theme from here. So my website will be look like this. So what I have to do, I just have to edit these contents, edit the picture, and edit everything, and I will make it just the way I want. So you don't have to do any, you don't need any PHP coding or anything else. So let's begin. So I just now click on the import site, and now my this theme will install on my website. So let's check it out. Now the import is complete. So right now we will check how our website looks. So we will go to our website and then click here. We will refresh the page, and here now my website looks like this. So you choose the theme, you install the theme, you install the plugin, you choose your theme. These three steps you followed. After that, how to edit the website? For that, you just need to click on the edit with Elementor. So click on this option, and now the Elementor plugin is loading. So you can choose any plan from here according to your need. For e-commerce, you can choose this. For WordPress, you can choose this. And for simple website, you can choose this. And if you have your website files, then you can purchase the hosting in a very cheap price with good quality from here. So let's check out the plugin. And from this channel, you can check all the technical videos related to your technical queries. So now the elementary is loaded. So how can you change the contents in this website? So for that, you just have to select the text. If you want to change the text, then you just need to select it, and you can type your text here. And to change the picture here, I can I just change the stuff, and after that you can change the change the picture. You just click here, click on style, and from here you can change the picture. Just select any picture you want to upload from here. Click on the insert media, and it will upload that picture in the background. You can choose the high resolution pictures from your end. I'm just showing here with my this image, which is not of good quality, but it works. So in this way you can edit everything from here like this. You can change the pictures from here like this. So in this way you can design your website within 1 to 2 hours without any issue. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, please like and please share, and also click the bell icon, and I will upload more videos for your all the technical queries for your help. And you can check out my website, the link is in the description. From there you can just go to my website and you can purchase the hosting according to your want. So from here you will find the link, and this is my channel. Till now solve the issues of around 4,500 clients. So you don't have to pay to anyone. You can just check out my videos and you will be you can solve all the technical queries from your end without any issue. So for now, goodbye, and please like and subscribe to my channel so that I can upload more videos after get around 1000 likes. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.